All right, I'm back on the Mountain Man. I didn't get down here yesterday because I just couldn't do it. I was just worn out from over the weekend, so I decided to take a day off. I'm trying to arrange his head so it doesn't look so strained. And I wasn't happy the way it was looking. I think I got it where I want it right now. It doesn't look so odd. Yeah, I like the head positioning a lot better now. I gotta start figuring out what kind of clothing I'm gonna put on him. All right, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do his pants. I'm gonna work up as far as his clothing goes, and I just gotta work it out. I'm not gonna give him a loincloth because the one thing you didn't want to do is wear clothing that looked like a particular tribe. Like say he's in Blackfoot country and he's dressed up like a Crow Indian in clothing from their tribe, he could be in big trouble. Although just being a white man in Blackfoot country was a dangerous thing because they defended their hunting grounds a lot, intensely. Where I live here in Montana used to be the hunting grounds of the Blackfeet. This was a dangerous area to live if you were a white man or a Crow Indian. There was a battle between the mountain men and the Blackfeet just about 20 miles south of here. The mountain men spotted a village of Blackfeet and they decided to attack it. They had the advantage because they were up in some rocks above the village, and they used that kind of like a fort to shoot down into the village. But then the Blackfeet moved around behind them in the rocks, and the mountain men moved down into where the village was. So they ended up trading places, and the battle kept going on, and they finally just stopped fighting and hauled off their wounded and their dead. There wasn't much love lost by the mountain men in the 1800s between the Native Americans and their land. They wanted fur, and the Indians didn't want them trapping in their country. This valley that I live in was a major hunting ground for the tribes out west. About once a year, the Arikara, the Grovant, and the Blackfeet would gather in this valley to hunt for their winter food, their winter meat supply, because we had lots of game, elk and buffalo and such. And they came together kind of with a truce while they hunted. Now the bottom of the shirt he's wearing, it's a leather shirt, would be uneven if he put a skin together. It would reflect, for instance, the neck of the animal and the legs. I'm going to have to work out his handgun and the belt. I will probably be making those out of monster clay because they'll hold the shape better. I kind of like the way this bottom part of the shirt is coming out. I still got a lot to do on that. And working on the leggings and stuff like that. The clothing will develop as I work on it. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to, what kind of clothing I'm going to have on them yet. Just probably just a shirt that he made out of deer hide or elk hide. I'll have to decide that as I work on it. All right, everybody. See you next time. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.